Everyone, welcome back to day 5 of the Christmas cleaning edition. So today we're going to be focusing on dish towels and the cloths. So if you've got any napkins that you use or any white cloths that you're going to be using during Christmas and they need a deep clean, this video is for you.
So I begin by boiling some water in the kettle, and I open up my cupboards and I look for bicarb soda.
And using bicarb soda is the best way to remove stains on any cloths, napkins or dishwashing towels. This method works very well for those. So I boil water and I pour it into the pot. Maybe you don't need to necessarily boil the water. You could just boil it from the pot and then put your in there. But as you can see, these are the ones that I normally use to just clean around the house or when I'm cooking and stuff. So you can see some stains, and I'm just basically trying to remove all those stains, especially if those stains are related to food or food coloring. So this is the best way to ensure that they're going to come off and you are going to be stain free. It's no longer looking white as it used to be, so I just turn the knob and put it on almost full blast, like on 11, and I've already poured the hot water inside. So I'm just going to put the towels in there and I will honestly blast it up because I just wanted to do a really quick job, a really fast job. I wanted to boil really quick, so I pour the bicarbonate soda. I open it up and I just put a tablespoon. Actually, sometimes I use 2 tablespoons depending on how bad they are, but this is just 1 tablespoon and you can automatically see it fizzing up. So today I'm going to use 2 tablespoons because I think they need that extra bit. So yeah, be careful, it might just pour out because again it's just fizzing out and it goes all over the place if you're not careful. So everything is just boiling together again because the hot water that I poured in and the pot is already boiling as well. So I get my wooden tongs and I just flip the towels around so that each area is literally covered and it's all being boiled along with the bicarb soda. I find that this normally helps make sure all sides are even and all sides are getting cleaned. I prefer this method especially with my white tea towels and stuff because again because I use it to when I'm cooking and stuff. So you can actually already see some of the water is literally changing the color, and that means the cloths are already shedding all that gray and all the grease and all the extra stuff that goes onto the tea towels. So this is a really fast method to make them clean and whiter. Looking at the water, you can already see this coloration.
So I just continue the process and continue flipping as many times as I possibly can until I can see that each side is getting, whiter. And you can already see again, like I mentioned, the water is really turning gray and a little bit brown. So yes, this is like towards the end result after a couple of minutes of boiling with the bicarb soda, and I'm really loving this method.
It's actually ensuring that all the stains are officially coming off and I can put them in the washing machine a deeper clean.
So I'm just going to pour out all the water that I was using. As you can see, it literally turned brown. And I'm just going to just put the towels in there and just use some cold water just to cool it down a little bit before I put some washing up liquid to just basically wash out any extra oils or grease or anything else.
Actually have to hand wash this in this moment. You could actually put it straight into the washing machine and then give it a wash it on a hot cycle, but I just wanted to wash it by hand because I needed to use them straight after because everything else was already in the washing machine, and I just thought I'll try this method out to ensure that that all the buildup officially comes off and all the stains are removed. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and it's helpful, especially for all your Christmas preparations. If you've got any napkins or any dishcloths that needed a deep clean, this method hopefully will ensure that all the stains are removed. Let me know in the comment section below if you are enjoying this video and if you are following my to-do list to get everybody ready for Christmas, and if you are, let me know in the comment section below. Just a quick reminder, I know it's every single day, but you only pick the tasks that are helpful for you. These towels are now better than what they looked like when we first started, so I'm happy with the results. That's it for me today. We've completed 5 days and I will see you guys soon. Bye.